Hey everyone, Dave from Summit Racing back at the Performance Parts Expo 2020, brought to you by Summit Racing. And today we have Dave Gerard with us from Case Radiator. And Dave's got a couple of new products to talk about, but for this particular video, we're going to focus on some new silicone hoses that you guys have come out with. Dave, what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, we've basically, to complement our line of restoration style and the new core supports, which we went over, we're developing a new line of silicone hoses. These are available for mainly in pairs, but for a lot of early muscle car applications, trucks, this set happens to be for 69 to 72 Chevy pickup. But we also do them for late model muscle cars as well.
Okay, and those are anti-collapsing, right? I mean, you guys have put some structure in there to keep them from collapsing.
Yeah, we do make these out of a 4-ply, which is heavier than anything else that's on the market. But just to make sure that we don't have a hose collapse issue, we do put a support wire on the suction side. Again, that's something that's unique to the market. So it makes it very rigid and very hard for the hose to collapse under extreme issues in the cooling system.
Okay. Yeah, you mentioned it's sort of a complementary piece to some of the other items that you offer, but also a nice restoration piece as well for folks on certain applications, right?
Yeah, well, our main radiator line is a restoration style performance radiator with stamped tanks. They all come polished out of the box. So these hoses are a nice complement to that. You have a nice shiny radiator, why not have a nice shiny hose to go with it? That'll keep its good looks.
Okay, and you mentioned sort of expanding the line as you go here. Any insight on what you're looking at next for these, or what's the next step?
Yeah, we kind of tested the waters, and so far so good. So we're looking probably to offer a hose for almost every one of our radiators, not by this year, but probably by the end of next year. So all of the GM applications, the Ford applications, the Mopar applications, we already have some Jeeps that are selling very well. But it's almost limitless what we can do. With these core supports, which we went over because of the expanded size of the radiators, we do need a custom solution for that. So these hoses will be offered as an add-on item to the core supports as well.
Okay. Well, once all those applications come out, you'll be able to get those at summitracing.com along with the entire Cold Case Radiator lineup. Dave, thanks for your time.
Not a problem. Thanks for having us.